This video is sponsored by Home Depot. Hey, welcome to my home garage. Today I'm setting it up and I'm gonna make it my home workshop. I'm gonna get organized and hopefully efficient. Watch how I do it. My garage is a disaster. I needed help. I hopped online and I did some research. Husky provides durable and innovative garage storage solutions that make your garage efficient and organized. And after all, this new year, I'm all about organization. So after unpacking a few of the boxes, I started to unravel all of the plastic and cardboard, and I took it apart piece by piece. Next, I was able to move the cabinets into my garage. Using a dolly, I was able to do this easily. After I got them in place, I took a few measurements. I wanted my layout to be accurate, and then I needed to make some adjustments as far as leveling them. They come with these quick, easy access holes to reach the levelers. It's amazing. I mean, Husky thought of everything. Once I had installed the other leveling feet, I put the cabinets in place and started to shake and bake. Right about now, I'm wishing I had some help. Come on, Donnie. You can do it. Don't celebrate yet, big boy. We still gotta install the upper cabinets. Husky really made it easy by providing these French cleats as a mounting system, and they have a built-in level. So all I did was look at the bubble, center it up, and install it with the screws that came in. Zip, zap, zoop. And then I hung it on the French cleat. It self-holds all its weight and is easily to hang. I then bolted each cabinet to one another and boom, this process was almost complete. I moved on to opening up the next package, which has the workstation involved. It's basically a work table that's got these adjustable legs that can go up and down to whatever height that you desire. I wanted it just to barely clear my cabinets, so I set that adjustment and then flipped it over. Next, I did what any good DIYer would do, and I just slid it around the garage. I pushed, I shoved, and I was able to squeeze it into place. And before I knew it, boom, I had a workstation over my cabinets. And I gotta say, a really cool feature is they have this built-in charging station right easily accessible on the front. I love that. This thing is really coming out nice, but it's time to tackle these tall cabinets. I'm gonna install a few shelves with these easily adjustable knobs, or I should say shelf knobs, and they go in all these little holes. I just decided to wing it. I didn't know my placement quite yet, but I wanted to get busy. Then I installed a drawer, and boom, just like that, I was done. But then I saw in the package they come with these really cool lightsaber swords. No, they're not that cool. But they are really nice LED strips, and they have these magnets, so I can place them anywhere on the cabinets, but underneath seems appropriate. These lights are installed in series using this little cord. Simply run it through the holes on the cabinet, plug one end to the light, and the other end into the other light, and simply connect all three lights until you get to the switch. Then it has a nice little port that you have to install it in. So after grabbing a Phillips head screwdriver and removing a couple of the screws, I was able to do this easily. And boom, I did it. We have light. I'm really amazed at the durability and quality of this product. It's amazing. I'm gonna have a link down below in the description box. No, seriously. It's down below. You gotta check this out. If you needed a sign to organize your space, this is it. Go to the Home Depot and pick yourself up a couple of these cabinets while they're still on sale. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get organizing. I'm simply placing glue and tape and sandpaper in all these cabinets, and I'm just kind of winging it. But I'm digging it. Oh, before I forget, did I mention Husky provides a lifetime warranty on all their products? What's better than that? Well, I'm starting to sound like a Husky salesman. Not really, I'm just a big fan. All right, get organized. Oh, you're still here. All right, Well, I just finished installing these Husky cabinets from Home Depot. They are amazing. Organization is off the charts. I'm now gonna be efficient in my home garage. You can use these cabinets for a variety of different options, but I'm gonna use it to store my tools and woodworking equipment. You may do it for storage and home goods. Whatever your needs are, it rocks. All right, thanks for watching. And again, thank you to Home Depot and Husky for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.